Oh, yeah. You like that rib?
Not bad. Okay. Nice. Got you one. You need a net? Oh, we got off.
That was my fault. He hit it and he missed it. And I didn't realize, and I went to pick it up out of the water and he, oh. No. I'm gonna try a different trailer. Maybe my trailer is too big for these baby bass. I don't know. I like this trailer better.
Works better for you?
Feels better. It gives me a little more confidence. I think the other one was too big and bulky for these fish. Oh, got one. As soon as they hit the water, I didn't even turn the handle.
That's a big bass. Nice bass. That's a good one. Good job.
Finally. Finally. There he is.
Nice. He just like, he didn't even have to set the hook on that. He just gobbled it.
What is that?
Gobble? No.
Gasper goo.
White drum. Go ahead.
Big stupid Gasper goo. I thought I had a 5-pounder, dude.
Yeah, he's fighting. Oh, that's a big old fish.
4 pounds. 3 pounds, 15 ounces, and 5/8 of an ounce.
That's a big fish.
He feels bigger than 4 pounds, but that's what they say about goo over here.
Yeah. Make sure you see that stump right there.
Which one?
Right there.
Yeah, I see it.
There's one in front of us.
Where's the one in front of us?
To the left, right. You're
Ah.
Nice. Fast.
Yep.
You need the net? I have to switch back to back. Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. Good one.
And then?
Nope. Got it. That's a good one. That's a good one. I ain't talking. I remember where we're at.
Found him.
Look at that bigger. He's dark.
Yeah. I don't know if he's 14 inches. Got one. Right off that big tree. Right off that big tree. What the heck? It's a goggle eye.
Wow.
See, they're like brim, but they're a little more aggressive and bigger like a bass.
Definitely. He just chomped that sucker.
Look at all the scars.
Oh my goodness. They're fighters, huh? Fighters.
He was right on the tree. I hit the tree and he was on it immediately.
He smashed that thing. Let me see.
They have a much bigger mouth than like a brim does.
Kind of like a bass.
Yeah, they call them rock bass or warmouth. They're very aggressive fish. That's why they call them warmouth, because they're so aggressive. Big old goggle eye. Not a huge goggle eye, but a big mouth on him.
Like a bass mouth.
Oh, got one. Yep. Feels like a decent fish.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, you gotta be kidding me.
Another one.
You gotta be joking.
Another one.
You're smaller than the other one, you dummy. Got one. Is that a goggle eye?
There's a big log that you're about to hit.
Yeah. Now these are good eating right here.
Perk?
Goggle eye.
There's a couple of them you've had.
Yep. It's just funny because they hit like a bass and then they don't fight at all.
Turn around.
Oh.
Got him?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. That's a nice little bass. That's a striped bass.
I don't think he's 14.
No, let's see what's short.
The same one, you think?
Small.
That's your first one. Let's go.
Right. Just right there by that little tree. Hit it hard too.
See how he's close to that tree. All right.
My baby. Going on one. 20-1.
All right, so regular Texas rig hook, nothing else, no weight, no bobber stopper, nothing. Just go through. Just gonna tie your Palomar knot like normal, and then you're gonna take a Cinco or stick worm or whatever they call them, and so it has a hook keeper here. You see?
Yeah.
So you want to go through the middle, just to the bend. Okay, then you're gonna come out. You're gonna go all the way up. Put your stick worm on, hook it through here, and have the hook come and sit in this little keeper.
Okay.
So it's sitting there, it's not gonna get hung up.
Nice.
Now you cut a portion of the tail off. I like to go into where it about evens out.
So it's a
Flat.
flat, yeah. So you can screw into it.
Yep. And you take a spinner. Sometimes it's chartreuse or silver or gold or whatever you have. I have a bunch of silver ones. And you just screw it in there and try to stay in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
That's the part that I struggle with, but we'll see if I can do it for you. And I like to go all the way. See how you have this thing? I like to go all the way to here. Like that. And then, so you're going to throw this. I just need to straighten this out a little bit. So you're going to throw this up real tight to the cover, tight to the grass, tight to the trees, whatever. And then you just want to really, really slow. You don't want it on the surface. You want it in the middle of the water column. You just want to really, really slow. You can let it sink for 5 seconds before you start reeling, or whatever works for you.
All right, let's try something.
Got one.
A little one?
A nice goggle eye.
Yeah.
These are good eating. CJ would like them.
Oh, yeah. He likes eating those.
I don't know if he's ever had them, but they're good.
Perk?
Yeah. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. You're a pro now. That's a big alligator.
Come on, open up. Yeah, he hit it good.
Yes, sir.
10-incher.
It was a gar.
Was that?
It had to be a gar.
I don't know. It looked like a bass.
Most mullet activity I've ever seen.
Yeah. He's just going crazy.
All in the straight path. All the way down. It's crazy. They're like migrating. Oh, he missed it. Oh, he missed it again. Yeah, I shouldn't have set the hook. He blew on it twice. Let me get on this side. I don't know if that was a gar or a bass or what. It wasn't a mullet, but oh my God. Yeah, it's got to be a gar or something. He's not getting it at all. Oh, that time he actually had it. I don't know if it was a gar or not, but he actually had it. I doubt a bass would.
Big old bass. My rod's behind you. Oh, nice one.
Thank you. You can drop it.
Is he even in there?
Got him right in the.
Fine. Hold on, let me get down
Oh, you ought to better get that off. Oh. You got it? I hope not. You need a hand?
Can you get that? Did you get that on video?
Oh, I have attracted a suitor. What's up, little buddy? Don't come for my frog.
Oh, he is too. He's like, oh, I'm going for it. Coming right at me too. Look at him. Here he comes.
Oh, there's two. What the heck? Where did y'all come from? This is ridiculous. We can't even fish. He's definitely gonna try to get that. Really? Got one. Yep.
Get it on the top.
Yep. Thank you. Those. And if it rains, it's not good. Like, it's only good when it's like clear. Got one? Goggle? It's a big goggle eye.
Yeah.
It's a big goggle eye.
I thought it was a baby bass.
It's a keeper goggle eye for sure.
Big fatty.
This one would come below. American Dad.
Oh.
Just to like put something on the TV so I didn't have to like list like because I was doing something.
Got him. No. For this stink, I'd say no.
Actually, I think this weekend is a free fishing weekend in Louisiana.
It is in Texas too.
He and Sasha were here. They took Mr. Red took them.
No. Okay. Red took him alligator hunting?
Yeah.
Did they kill? Oh, there he is. Feels like a better one.
Yep.
Anybody?
Pull it out. Stop dicking around with it, Evan. Pull it out.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Is it a bass?
I don't think so.
Oh my gosh, that's a gar.
That's a big old
That's
gar.
a big old gar. You can keep it.
Pull it to the top. Oh, okay, I'll let it go.
That was a big
Yeah, I saw the back of it. It was a big one.
Golly.
Like at least 3 feet.
He almost broke my rod. Whew.
It was like this wide across the back. Sarah didn't understand that one. I told you.
How has she never seen that?
I just wasn't the viner. Or the
Oh.
some milk. That's actually a bass. Oh. Obviously the chatterbait's the way to go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, good one.
Thank you, sir. Three bass, a big old gar,